What's going on, everybody? It's the Home Theater Hobbyist here, and today we have another unboxing for you. These are the Emotiva Airmotiv T2 Pluses. So let's get to it. Before we get too far into this video, if you enjoyed this type of content, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. Okay, so let's move on and let's talk about these speakers. As you can see on the front of the box, you have the Emotiva logo along with the Airmotiv T2 Pluses right there on the front. So if these are delivered to your home, people will know what they are, especially if they look them up online, if they aren't familiar with the company. And you know, in this holiday season, porch pirates are out there big, so make sure you are home to get these, or you have a neighbor pick them up so they won't be stolen from your property. Now, the good news is these things are big and people won't be putting them in a backpack or anything like that. They're going to need some help carrying them anywhere they're going to go. These weigh about 70 pounds a piece shipped, and the box itself is right around 47, 48 inches, so almost 4 feet tall. So when you bring these into your home, make sure you have help to bring them up the stairs or down the stairs if you're going to your basement, because these are pretty heavy, and since they're long, they're a little bit unwieldy, and so it's nice to have help so you don't damage, the speakers or of course hurt yourself. But otherwise, the boxes seem to be in pretty good shape. And I'm going to cut them open with my trusty box cutter. I'm going to start with this one and move this one out of the way, and then I'll do this other one over here. Okay, now that I have this open, the first thing I notice is you have a box within a box. So Emotiva has done a good job making sure that they take care of and protect your speakers. Open up that box and you got the manual here. It says Airmotiv on the front. Oh yeah. Little bag of desiccant. So here it is, got it out of the box, and first thing you notice is there's some nice thick styrofoam around the top to protect the top, and this right here feels like the front of the speaker, and it's in this nice black bag. The cloth feels pretty nice, and so I'm going to pull it off of this base and then pull the bag off. The bottom base looks like that. So there you have it, the Airmotiv T2 Pluses. And this is a pretty big, substantial speaker. And basically all you had in the bag or in the box was the speaker, the grill's already on there, the manual, and the feet are already on it. So it seems pretty good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to unbox this other one so you can see both of them come out of the box. The T2 Plus is a rear-ported three-way speaker, which means each speaker includes a tweeter, mid-range driver, and a low-range driver or woofer. The tweeter is a 32mm folded ribbon design, while the mid-range driver is 5 1/4 inches in diameter and is made of woven fiber. Finally, there are dual 8-inch woofers also made of woven fiber. This setup has a frequency response of 35 Hz to 28,000 Hz. Each speaker has an efficiency of 91 dB and a nominal impedance of 4 ohms. It is just under 43 inches tall, just over 12 inches wide, and just over 12 inches deep. It weighs 56.9 pounds, includes a full 5-year warranty, and a 30-day trial period. And the T2 Plus are $9.99 a pair. So let's talk first impressions. Overall, I like these speakers. They are huge. They are pretty tall, but really they are deep. They're about a foot deep and about 11 inches or so wide. And obviously that is to handle these big drivers down here, these 8-inch drivers here at the bottom, which I'm thinking the bass is going to sound epic for floor standing speakers, but we'll see. I'm going to do a full review on those. Overall, the surface finish is really nice. And let's talk about the looks. In my opinion, first of all, I like the way these things look. They actually remind me of what's known as the Tumbler, which is the car that Batman drove in the Dark Knight series, that really rough looking kind of car that had the 4 wheels on the back. Anyways, that's kind of how these look. They've got these angular surface here. It's all black along the front, and it's pretty cool. The grills do attach via magnets, and there's a bunch of magnets here on the back, and it just kind of snaps in place if you want to use those grills. But overall, these are nice speakers. If you have questions about these speakers, put them in the comment section below. I will try to address them in my full review. And if you want to purchase a pair of these speakers, use that link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll talk to you next time.